Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with SterlyHair. They sent me over this wig. I wanted to do some bomb layers, and I'm gonna show you how I did the layers today. I'm gonna take my time showing you and talking you through the process, and I'm also gonna show you how I curled the hair. And I just want to make sure that you guys know, once I get to like right here, today's the second day, I just took this and I went like that, like this. I feathered each section to kind of give me like show the layers a little bit more. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this like half little bang thing, and also how I did the layers and curls, let's get right into this video. So first things first, I'm making sure that the wig was already washed and air dried. I parted down the middle, and now I'm parting out the area where my ear would be. And I'm just putting it at like a 90-degree angle. I think this is a 90-degree, I don't know. And then I'm cutting in a downward motion. This is essential to getting those layers, making sure that I'm cutting in like a downward type of motion. I realize this really helps me out, especially when I'm doing it on the mannequin head. This is key, okay? So you can see here, I'm just doing that motion going downwards, and I'm going back and forth until I like how the layers are falling. I feel like when the hair is curled, you can see it a little bit better, but right now it's straight. So I'm just doing that all around the head, and you can see I keep moving across, and then you can just put everything in like one and see if it's looking good. Then once I have that and I'm pretty satisfied with the way that it's looking, I'm going to go ahead and part it in sections. So I'm doing my first section, which will be in the back, and then I'm going to section that back section in two. Once it's sectioned off, I will go ahead and start curling the hair. I did spray some of my holding spray, but for some reason I didn't show you guys. So I'm using the Tresemme Extra Hold holding spray. Some point in this video I will show you what it looks like, and I am just curling the hair going upward. So I left this in real time so you can kind of see, and then I'm gonna zoom through this part because it's self-explanatory. And then I make sure that I clip it, and when I get to the front, I start doing it away from the face, not towards the face. And then I'm taking it out. And at this point, this is when you're going to really be able to see if the layers are to your liking. So I'm just spraying some more holding spray, and I'm starting to comb that out and just add a little bit more extra layers just to make sure it's how I want it to look, okay? And then once it's to your liking, you're done. Now I'm going to go ahead and install this wig so we can be cute. So this is SterlyHair. This is the stuff that came in their packaging. It comes with a wig cap, some lashes, and a headband. Oh, they put some brushes in there as well. And this is a wig once it was finished. I'm showing you the inside, the lace. It's a lot of lace to play with, okay? It has 4 combs, 1 in the back, 3 at the front side. I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses number 15. I'm putting that all over the lace, and then I'm going to put this lace on my head. I did plug this wig just like minimally, so I'm cutting off like air tab areas. Going in with some skin protectant before I use my Ebin lace spray. I wanted to keep this wig on for a little while, so that's why I'm using this one. I normally use the lace melt spray, but I'm not going to use that today. This is normal install procedure. So I'm going to play some music and then come back and talk to you guys.
Tell me what you say now. me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But it's lost now. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth.
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say,
Okay, so now I'm going to carve out my side part, and I'm going to start pressing the hair going towards my face, because I decided I wanted to do like a little half bang type of thing. I don't know if I like it. Actually, you guys are going to see and then be the judge in the comments. Let me know if you guys like this hairstyle. But I am just flattening the hair with the hot comb, and then I'm sectioning that area in the front in two. I'm going to start razoring it. So I'm using my razor comb to razor that down, and then I'm going to razor down the bottom side, and then I'm going to use my scissors to help me out even more. Then I decided to add some extra curls in it just to give it back that, you know, like nice look. I don't know. So that's all I'm doing right here. This is basically the end. I will come back and talk to you guys so you can watch me curl this hair, and then I'll speak to you guys at the end of the video. Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the hairstyle turned out. This is how the layers are looking. Today is the second day that I've been wearing this wig, and it's really soft. You can see how soft it is. So I will have this wig linked down below if you're interested, and if you're following along with me to this video, make sure you leave me a comment down below. Make sure you like this video so I know that you enjoyed it and you're learning something from it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Don't forget to check out SterlyHair. I will have the links down below like I said before, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but